Welcome to this lesson on electric current. In this video, we'll explore one of the fundamental concepts in electricity, how electric charge flows through conductors and how we measure this flow. Electric current is essential to understanding how all electrical devices and circuits work. Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor or circuit. In simpler terms, it tells us how quickly electric charges are moving past a given point. Think of it like water flowing through a pipe. The current measures how much water passes by each second. Similarly, electric current measures how much charge flows through a conductor in a given time period. To understand electric current, we need to visualize what's actually happening inside a conductor. Electric charges, typically in the form of electrons or ions, move through the material. When we connect a conductor to a power source, these charges begin to flow continuously from one point to another. This movement of charges is what creates the electric current we use to power our devices. Electric current can be calculated using a simple formula. I equals Q divided by T here. I represents the current we want to find, Q represents the total amount of electric charge that flows, and T represents the time duration over which this charge flows. This formula shows us that current is simply the amount of charge divided by the time taken. Let's break down the components of our formula. Charge, represented by Q, is the total amount of electric charge flowing through the conductor and is measured in coulombs. Time, represented by T, is the duration over which this charge flows and is measured in seconds. By dividing the charge by the time, we get the rate at which charge is flowing, which is our electric current. The unit used to measure electric current is called the ampere, abbreviated as A. 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing past a point per second. So when we say a current is 1 ampere, it means that 1 coulomb of electric charge is moving through the conductor every single second. The ampere is a fundamental unit in electricity and is named after the French physicist André Marie Ampere. An interesting aspect of electric current is that we have two ways of describing its direction. Conventional current is defined as flowing from positive to negative terminals. This is a historical convention established before scientists discovered electrons. Electron flow, on the other hand, represents the actual movement of electrons, which move from negative to positive terminals. While both descriptions are valid, conventional current is most commonly used in circuit diagrams and electrical engineering. Let's recap the important points. First, electric current measures the rate of charge flow through a conductor. Second, we calculate current using the formula I equals Q divided by T, where I is current, Q is charge, and T is time. Finally, current is measured in amperes, where 1 ampere equals 1 coulomb of charge flowing per second. Understanding these concepts is crucial for working with any electrical circuit or device.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.